Outfix. Please close Interception before starting the game from Fortnite, Rust, or Apex Legends. This is a very easy fix. All I have to do is to download an Interception first. Just simply open up any preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. In here, just simply type in Oblitum Interception, and where you would be downloading it directly is from GitHub. Click on that, and then in here, just scroll down a bit and then just simply click on download the latest release. So say for example you already downloaded a file. All you have to do next is just go into that straight file folder and then just simply copy the specific folder address. Open up your CMD or your command prompt. Make sure that you're running it as an administrator. Type in cd space paste the file address that you entered earlier. Once you hit on enter, it will automatically be um, relocated to all the specific folder where your interception is coming from. Once you've done that, all I have to do next is to paste the specific file location again and type this command here so that it will be installed manually. And that's it. That's how you fix please close interception before starting the game from Fortnite Rust or Apex Legends.